In this video, I'm going to talk about how to insert, use, and remove hyperlinks in a worksheet in Microsoft Excel. So I'm using a file called 06 Contoso Hyperlink. If you're in my class, you can use this file, or if you don't have it, just follow along. And you'll still learn how to use hyperlinks in Microsoft Excel. So we're going to go down to cell A15, and we're going to type in company website. So you may be sharing this with someone, and you may want them to be able to, to get to your company website. So first of all, we're going to type our name in for our link, and always make sure your column width is wide enough for whatever you typed in. So now that we have a word in there, we have company website, we're going to simply right click. That's the easiest and most direct way to get to our hyperlink feature. Another way you could get there will be on our insert tab, and it is going to be, the hyperlink button is a world. It looks like a globe with a chain link on it. So I'm going to use the quick way, right click, hyperlink. And I want to show you how to read this dialog box. We need to read it like a book. We need to start at the left and read to the right. So we have to make a choice over here on the left. Is it going to be an existing file or web page? Is it a place in this document? Do you want to create a new document, or do you want to email someone from your document? So for now, it's going to be an existing file or web page. So on our address bar down here, we can kind of ignore the things that are going on in here. We have our text of what's going to appear in our cell, what's going to represent that link, and it's two words, company website. We've already typed that in. Our address, we're going to type in http://www.contoso.com/. And now we can click OK. And so now we can go here on A15 and we can click on company website, and it will take us to our browser, and it will go to whatever website we typed in there. Our contoso.com, it just takes us simply to Microsoft.com, since this is a Microsoft product. So let's go back to our Excel spreadsheet. And I'm going to right click on company website, and we have some options. We can remove it now. Now that we have a hyperlink, we may remove it, we may open it, or we can edit it. And I'm going to edit it. And I want to show you, we'll go back to this edit hyperlink dialog box. I want you to click on screen tip. Click there. It's our screen tip. Set a hyperlink screen tip. A screen tip is what's going to appear when someone hovers over the link. So we're going to type in, click here to visit our company website. I'm going to hit enter, hit OK, hit OK. And now if I hover over our link, it says click here to visit our company website. Before, it just gave the long website address. So now we're going to go down to A16. We are going to type in quarter for revenue. And this quarter four revenue is actually on sheet 1 in this same workbook. But instead of having the person have to go to sheet 1, we're going to allow our audience to take a quick click and take us over there. So quarter 4 revenue, with your cursor in there and with the cell selected, right click. Oh, let's see, there we go, right click now, hyperlink. We open this box back up, and it's going to be a place in this document. And we just simply want to go to sheet sheet 1. So we're just going to click. We can also type in the cell reference for sheet 1. Actually, this, if you selected this, this would take you to A1 in the current sheet, I believe. But we're going to click on sheet 1, click OK. And now we can try our link. And it should take us over to sheet 1. Yep. Sheet 1 is now the active sheet. Click sheet 2, go back. And to remove the hyperlink, we're going to right click. And we're just going to simply click remove hyperlink. And now it takes that away. And if we go up to company website and we want to remove that hyperlink, we can't really click on the cell without actually clicking on the hyperlink that's active. So we want to right click on that cell. And then we can remove the hyperlink. And now we just have regular words that do not have a link to anything. And that's simply how you use hyperlinks in Microsoft Excel.